Hey folks, welcome to this edition of the Microsoft Cloud News Update. This is where I read the cloud blogs so you don't have to. I'm Carl Kishel. Lots of updates this week actually, despite the fact that Microsoft Ignite is next week. So let's jump right into it. Our first update is regarding automatic virtual machine guest patching in Azure. So this is for Windows VMs and this is currently in preview. This article goes into the details on what this entails. But suffice it to say, if you have this enabled for your Windows virtual machines, anytime there's a critical and security patch that's available, they will automatically be downloaded and applied to your virtual machine. So check out this article for more information if you're interested in joining the preview. Our second update is regarding Microsoft Teams and some new discounting and calling experiences within Teams. So scroll down here and read this on your own, but I think the most interesting promotional offer here is getting audio conferencing for free. If you're not familiar with audio conferencing, this is the ability to use a landline to dial into a Teams meeting and share your audio video experience with someone who's participating via phone. So this is for folks who are currently on Microsoft 365 or Office 365 A3, E3 or higher, and it adds the ability to do audio conferencing as part of your Teams meeting at no additional cost. So check out this link for more information. Our third update is regarding Office 365 and Advanced Threat Protection, or ATP. And this is the ability to do simulated attack training for your end user community and providing them with some information on simulated phishing attacks and assessing the risk of your organization. This is currently in development and is scheduled for release January 2021. So check out this link for more information. Our fourth and fifth updates come from the Microsoft 365 roadmap. And the first one's regarding Microsoft Teams and managing your meetings team options inside the meeting. So currently this option is only available during meeting creation. This particular update, which is set for release next month, October 2020, will give you the capability to view and update meeting options during the team meeting to make it easier and faster for you to make those adjustments. So definitely check out this roadmap update, as well as the second update here regarding end of meeting notifications. So this is where Microsoft Teams will automatically issue a 5-minute warning when the meeting is nearing its close. So check out these roadmap updates for more information. Our next update is regarding an update on a proof of concept we did regarding underwater data centers in Project Natick. And this is where we submersed a data center about 117 feet underwater off the coast of Scotland to basically see if it's sustainable to house data center capabilities underwater. So this is something Microsoft did about 2 years ago, and it was recently resurfaced to check out the results of the test. And this particular blog post is pretty interesting. There's some really cool pictures on the data center itself and the capsule and what was entailed in terms of having this being buried underwater for over 2 years. I think the most interesting point here in the article is down towards the end, where actually some of the preliminary results show that this underwater data center had less server failure than on land. So I think it was 80% more reliable or 80% less server failures with this underwater capsule versus an on-land traditional data center. So definitely researchers are still looking into this in terms of understanding why that is. But if you're interested in following along, definitely check out this link. Our second last update is regarding Microsoft Teams and Ignite. Again, Ignite is next week. And if you want to check this blog post out, it's basically a summary of what the Teams product group is going to be doing at Microsoft Ignite. So there's a nice summary here in terms of all the sessions, etc. I think the most important point here is regarding the Ask the Experts session. This is your opportunity to ask questions directly to the product groups and subject matter experts. So here, space is limited for the experts session. You definitely, if you haven't registered and enrolled in the various sessions, definitely check out the Ask the Expert session so you can reserve your spot and make sure your questions get in front of the product group and the subject matter experts. And finally, our last update is regarding Power Apps and Microsoft Ignite once again, our virtual conference next week. So there's some details here on this link in terms of what the Power Apps product group is doing at Ignite. So it's a good preview. There's a list of all the live sessions, recorded sessions, etc. So if you want to get an idea in terms of what the Power Apps product group is doing at Ignite, definitely check this out. That concludes this session of the Microsoft Cloud News Update. Please like, subscribe, share. Appreciate if you get the word out. And hopefully we'll see you at Ignite next week. Definitely register, take advantage of everything we talked about, especially the Teams Ask the Expert session. Have a great week, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.